Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to fix a hacked Wells Fargo account and strengthen your security. Instantly welcome to our channel. If you ever discover unauthorized activity on your Wells Fargo account or suspect it's been hacked, it's crucial to act quickly and decisively. To protect your finances, begin by immediately logging into your Wells Fargo online banking or mobile app to check for any suspicious transactions or changes to your personal details. If you are unable to access your account because the hacker has changed your login information, proceed to reset your password using the Forgot Password option on the login page. If that's not possible, contact Wells Fargo customer service directly at their official phone number to report the issue. Secure your account by requesting a freeze or temporary hold on any further transactions while they investigate the suspicious activity. Next, update your Wells Fargo account password to a strong, unique password combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or ones used on other sites. After regaining access, review your recent transactions and identify any unauthorized charges. Make notes of suspicious payments and immediately report them to the bank. Ensure to place a fraud alert on your credit report by contacting one of the major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. This step adds an extra layer of protection to prevent new accounts from being opened fraudulently under your name. Enable two-factor authentication on your Wells Fargo account to add an additional verification step each time you log in. This feature drastically reduces the risk of future hacks, as it requires more than just your password to access your account. Keep your contact information updated with Wells Fargo to receive timely alerts about account activity. Regularly monitor your bank statements and set up email or SMS alerts for all transactions. Review all linked accounts or external payment apps, such as PayPal or Venmo, to ensure they have not been compromised. Disconnect any suspicious or unknown linked devices from your account to safeguard your devices. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software, and keep them up to date. Avoid accessing your banking information from public Wi-Fi networks. Use encrypted private connections whenever possible. Finally, educate yourself on phishing scams and be cautious opening links or attachments in unsolicited emails, believing a hacker could try to capture your login credentials. Through such means, taking these proactive steps ensures you can respond confidently to a hacked Wells Fargo account, protect your money, and enhance your online security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful security tips.